I think it starts by just understanding what social business is, right? I think a lot of us think that just because a business is commercial, it doesn't have social impact angle to it. And I think that's where it all starts, from the education piece of it. So when you think about a business with stakeholders, I'll take B Lab's model, for example, that the stakeholders will be inclusive of their workers, their community, and their customers, and the environment. So if you approach a business from that angle, then you're able to specifically identify, why do you exist as a business? A motivation that is unique beyond the profit making into the intrinsic value that keeps you going on, and then catering for the needs of the stakeholders that you have, and being really intentional on the specific, in the immediate term and in the futuristic terms of what you want to do with your business. Then you have hope. You have a pathway towards 3 zeros. Additionally, I would like to emphasize that commercial businesses also have a way that they can be able to create social impact, and that therefore thinking that you have social business. I think in Kenya we are lucky that we have an availability to be able to register your company as a company limited by guarantee, which allows you to kind of do some profit work and some non-profit work at the same time. Therefore, having this awareness and creation and collaboration is what is going to really help us to get there. Now, our entrepreneurs must remember, you have an idea. It's an amazing idea that's going to solve a problem. But the ecosystem is not just about the entrepreneur. You must be able to work with other organizations that really support you. When you think about accelerators, incubators that will help you define your business model, help you define and elaborate your design and even your scalability, and even more intrinsically what kind of impact you're trying to have. These organizations will help an entrepreneur to be able to get the rightness of their business. Not just that, the money is very important. So even the investors, even the donors are very, very particularly a member of that ecosystem. And lastly, the regulators. Some of these regulators do not know, right? Or they know, but they do not know how to implement the things that they have, their brilliant ideas that they have in their heads. Therefore, entrepreneurs need to work within that ecosystem that supports their dreams to become true.